Hello, my name is Terrence. I'm an innovative thinker, theorist, amateur astrologist. A lot of strange events have been occurring over the city of Las Vegas, Nevada. To my account, to other people's accounts, there's been some strange occurrences as far as considering UFOs, as far as UFOs, unidentified flying objects, and orbs, wormholes, and just a strange occurrence of things. But lately, what I'd like to talk about, most recently, will be about the giant triangle in the sky. Now, this triangle, very, very large. It seems to hover on the west side of the strip, just south, about 5 miles south of the strip and about 2 miles west of the strip. It's always in the sky. For some odd reason, it's in the air between 7:40 and about 9 p.m. at night. If you look towards the skies, you can see. Now, the indicators for what you're going to see, I've tried to videotape this many times doing different cameras, using different formats. I'm not able to videotape it. You can hear the voice. You can hear me when I pan down to the street level to see if I can see anything else, if there's something wrong with my camera. Everything else shows, but when I point back up to the object, the distortion blacks out. It takes the whole sky out of the scene. Now, from my understanding of how I seen it and what I tried to videotape in my last video was there was a Greek festival, and in the Greek festival in Las Vegas they have spotlights. There's about 6 of them. They cross pan each other and pretty much light up the sky. There was cloud covering. At the moment I was just happening to look up in the air and I looked at the spotlights and they seemed to cover the clouds, and then they seemed to not hit the, they seemed to not be able to show once it came towards this object. Now, it was very huge in the sky. I mean, it was at a high altitude and it looked at least over 500 miles from the point from which I was looking at it. Now, there must be some kind of cloaking technology or some light bending technology. From whence I understand it, it was the same basics as if you had a cup of water and you shined a beam of light through it. The beam of light will not go straight. It will bend, which is the laws of light. It will not break. It will always bend. Now, similar technology, more advanced, very well thought out and planned, is being used. We're not able to do that. That's exactly 1,000 years ahead of us. The theory is there. The mechanics is there. The object is there in the sky. Now, we've also seen actual military intervention through the summer that I've been watching it this year, that I've been aware of it. I'm not the only person that's seen this. I'm just coming to tell you exactly from my accounts, from my memory, from what I'm telling you. The video proof is not there. A lot of people say that you're crazy, or you're stupid, or you're one of those dumb UFO fucking weirdos. Look for yourself. Look to the skies. You can keep that judgment. You can stay in denial. But I guarantee you, when you see that big fucking triangle in the sky, and you see strange movements, like when it drops and lowers and drops an angle and pivots and then shoots back up into the fucking space, you'll become a believer yourself. Think about it. Out of all the millions of galaxies in this fucking plane that we call the fucking space, what makes you think we're the only intelligent life around here? Seriously, think about it. And a lot of people call these motherfuckers godlike creatures. Think about it. We are godlike creatures. We were supposedly made in the image of God. There and said and done. For the main reasons why we're able to protect our own life, We're able to save lives. We're even able to destroy lives. Now, along with the space race, we have space capabilities. We're not interstellar yet, but if we actually push that, we can probably become an interstellar species if we stop all the bullshit. I mean, seriously, all the fighting amongst us, stupid. These motherfuckers are up in space looking at us, and they're probably laughing at us and shit because we're actually on the verge of destroying ourselves. Now, in my theory, what will make us the actual superior race of all races, of all beings in this galaxy, among the millions of planes in this universe? Why do we gotta be like the rest of these motherfuckers to travel millions of light years to try to find a planet? Why can't we just make one? Think about it. All these fucking asteroids floating around and shit. Why can't we just grab a fucking ship and grab that motherfucker and just shoot it close to us and shit and start fucking with it? Terraforming. It works. It's been proven on a small scale. We can do it. And now, that is just one of my theories. Some of the observations that I've been seeing. If we all just learn to get along, work together, use all of our resources. Money is non-existent. It is useless. It's nothing. It means shit. Resources is what we need. So who says $1 will save your life? Will get you closer to God? We start extracting materials from other planets. We will create harder, stronger materials. With stronger and harder materials, we'd be able to push our technological advances to the point where we'd be able to at least attempt to be on the same playing field as these UFOs and these so-called aliens. If we attempt to get towards that level and we figure out that they are actually testing on us, abducting us, slicing us to pieces, and then bringing us back. Think about it. They're trying to figure out what makes us tick, what makes us think, what makes us beings. We're the next step in the evolutionary step in the chain of command. We are the rulers of the universe, and it's about time for all of us to step up and take that advantage. I'm not asking for you to agree with me. I'm not asking for you people to build an army. I'm asking for you to become aware and self-relevant. Thank you for your time.